Okay, so this is a very easy problem actually. As you can see, you will just open this denominator, root 2 will come out, and you will apply the King's property at pi by 2 minus x here. So this would be got swapped. You will add, and this would be cut, and you will easily find the answer of this question. But actually I found one another solution which I found not that convenient, but it may be important to know, because important not if someone wants to solve with different methods. So what I just did is that, so what I did is I noticed the denominator sine pi by 4 plus x, and instead of opening, I thought that if the coefficients would have been a and b, the coefficients would have been 1 and 1, so sin x plus cos x. So I have a tendency to use, when I see sin x plus cos x, I apply root 2, multiply root 2 down denominator and numerator, and convert it into root 2 into sin pi by 4 plus x, so it would have been cut, and the answer would have been root 2 if a and b is equal to 1. So what I did is that I assumed a is bigger than b, and I did a little assumptions that a and b both are integers. So what I did is that a is greater than b. So, and now when I did is that I separated one sin x from here, one cos x from here, so it would become like this, right? Sin x. So I did likewise, I separated one sin x and one cos x from here, and here it remained as a minus 1 sin x, b minus 1 cos x, and as you can know, this would become root 2 sin pi by 4 plus x, so it would whole become, it will become to root 2, right? And like this if you can see, I have written that a is bigger than, okay, sorry, you can also write, okay, let's say a is greater than b, right? So it will reduce, b will reduce to b minus b, right? B minus b, and it will become a minus b, right? So b minus b, it would become 0, so this cos term will remove. So what it will become is since you can see one term of root 2 is coming, so we are writing a minus 1 b minus 1. So when we would do b minus b, so b times root 2 would have been come here, so it will reduce to, so as you can easily see, it would reduce to like this, right? So you can just take it out here, and it would become b root 2 into pi by 2, right? And plus here a minus b would come outside, integral of 0 to pi by 2, and here it would remain sin x upon, okay, sine of pi by 4 plus x dx, right? Now you can easily write, open it down, right? You will open it here, and the root 2 will go up, root 2 will come out, and the expression would turn to sin x upon sin x plus cos x. And as you know the property, so as you know the property here, if there is something function like this, a to b, and f of x plus f of x plus f of a plus b minus x, so this integral will turn to b minus a by 2, right? Similarly here, as you can see, root 2 will come out here, in denominator sin x plus cos x would remain, sin x upon sin x plus cos x, so it would become, and as you can see, sine of pi by 0 plus pi by 2, sine of pi by 2 minus x becomes cos x, right? So this would turn into pi by 2 minus 0 by 2, right? So pi by 4, and root 2 is there already, so the answer would become like this, b pi by root 2 plus a minus b into root 2 was there upon, okay, pi by 4, right? Pi by 4, and it would turn to 2 root 2, and now on solving you will get the answer. So see, you are, after simplifying, you are getting the same answer as you are getting here, right? So root 2 will cut here simply, the answer we are getting same. So actually I know this is not a convenient method. The most convenient method was this, right? You just open it up and it would cut down, but I was just using this because you should expand your thinking. So this was also a way. Actually why I thought is that my tendency was to see sin x plus cos x as root 2 sin pi by 4 plus x, so it would be cut down, right? So I thought like this. And actually, if you notice, this method is also not so lengthy if you can do orally. Now how orally you can, inside your mind you can think that I would just take this and it would become root 2. Okay, if you have done practice like this method, so it would become root 2 a minus 1. Okay, a minus 1 b minus 1. So if I say a is greater than b, then then it would go to a minus b and it would be 0, and b root 2 will come here. And after you can just eliminate these steps and you can directly jump into this. So you can directly